The first question, how can DXN products help in autoimmune diseases like lupus or arthritis?
Yeah. Thank you for the question, You see, before I answer this question, you all must always understand one thing about our system, okay? First thing first, we do not treat any disease, okay? So that in a Q&A like this, many people always asking me, how is the product going to treat certain disease? When you buy a car, okay, there's something wrong with the car, then in the panel there's some warning thing there, am I right? Something wrong with the car. So what should you do with the car? Can you tell the mechanic, oh, I do not like this light, can you throw this light away? Then is your problem solved? No. Okay, so you need to repair the car. So when the car is repaired, this system is gone. So now, this autoimmune system or lupus or arthritis, everything, we are not going to answer this question. Because all these are blinking light of the body. This thing happen because our body is not in a balanced state. That's why when you take granuloma, okay, when we are having helps people to treat a health problem, never look at disease. We do not treat disease. We treat the body. So when the body is balanced, all these things are disappearing. I give you one example. Okay, we donated this granuloma to one hospital in Pakistan. Okay, so one day they invite me for meeting because they have very good result, A patient need to go for these blood infusions, okay, twice a week. After taking granuloma, have been lengthened to every 2 weeks only need one infusion. That means every 4 we reduce to 1. They are very excited, So before I went to Pakistan, they give me a long list of questions, to be discussed in the meeting. Okay. How can granuloma help this thalassemia patient? How can granuloma help this leukemia patients? How can granuloma help this? What is the interaction between granuloma and the blood? What is the interaction between the granuloma and the disease? Everything. So in a meeting, we keep aside all the questions. We say we are not going to answer this question. Okay, this question have nothing to do with this granulotherapy. Our system is very simple. Okay, a person is having disease because the body is out of function. When we balance it back, all these things will disappear automatically. You agree with me? Yeah. So don't look at the disease. Always look at the body. So Jijit, next question. No, anything about disease you can read. You can read. No, you don't put it away.
Can you give a formula for weight loss using our products? How much and when and what?
Yeah. Okay, that is a question that people are always asking now. Now, to control your weight, first thing first, you must change your eating habit. You must eat, the slower you eat, okay, the less will be your body weight. Many people, their body is obese because the eating habit is wrong. When we eat, your body, our mouth, okay, our stomach are communicating with the brain. The problem is that this communication takes 5 to 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes. If you're eating very fast, okay, by the time you feel full, that is 5 minutes ago, the feeling, okay? So you stop eating. After another 5 to 10 minutes, you feel overfull. You feel too much, the food is too much inside the body. So to reduce your body weight, you must eat slowly, okay? How to eat slowly? When you eat anything, keep it the habit. Whatever you eat, you keep on, eating the food until you taste it, then you eat into your stomach. You eat rice, you must eat until you taste the rice. Okay, you eat vegetable, you must keep on eating until you taste the vegetable. You eat chicken, you keep on eating until you taste chicken, and then you put it down your stomach. First thing first, for the weight loss, you must change. If you look at these people, they always eat too fast, no? When you eat too fast, okay, by the time you feel full, you are overeating by 5 to 10 minutes, no? That is a lot of food, first thing first. Secondly, all our products are good for weight loss. Algae and GL is good for weight loss. Spirulina is also good for weight loss. Okay, this what do you call this? Especially this vinegar is also good for weight loss. To lose the weight, the best product is spirulina. You know why? You take spirulina before you eat anything. Maybe you take 6 tablets. You take 12. Here you have tablet or in capsule. Tablet, okay. So normally you can take 9 tablets, okay. 20 minutes before your meal. You take it first, then after the meal, you eat very slowly, of your meal. Normally, this will cut down substantially of your food, okay. What is the best alkaline food that we can have? What is the most alkaline food in the world? I give you one choice, I give you a few choices. Ganoderma, spirulina, maybe we say cordyceps, or maybe we say vinegar. Which are the most alkaline food? Spirulina? Okay, I give you a choice. Spirulina and Ganoderma. Which one is more alkaline? Spirulina? No. Ganoderma. Because Ganoderma contains more than 300 alkaloid, all are alkaline. Okay? You see spirulina and what do you call, and spirulina. Mushroom and this Ganoderma and spirulina. What is the main difference between the two? Okay. Mushroom, okay, Ganoderma, it is a mini phyto factory. Okay, it is a mini factory to produce a lot of this what they call this phyto element. Okay, like this they're like a mini factory to produce a lot of this alkaloid. Okay, this thing. So we do not take Ganoderma as food. It is alkaline to balance the alkaline. But spirulina different, no. Spirulina is complete in the amino acid. Okay, spirulina is complete even in the sugar, the polysaccharide. This thing. Then this spirulina also having a lot of this nutrient. Okay, like beta carotene, what they call omega 3, even have omega 6, no, or omega 6. This thing. That's why if you just take Ganoderma alone, no, you can survive. You can survive because it is a perfect food. But when you come to alkalinity, you have to come to Ganoderma. Ganoderma have more alkaline than this what we call spirulina, but spirulina have more nutrient than Ganoderma. Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you. So nowadays DXN we combine the two, a perfect match. This thing. So the food is complete, the alkaline is complete. Okay, so the most potent is Ganoderma. Ganoderma is the most alkaline food. Then next will be spirulina. But you talk about nutrient, first is spirulina, next is Ganoderma. So these two, they have the advantage, they have the strong point. Okay, so we combine these two together.
I'm asking the last question.
Okay, please.
Is all the DXN products are vegetarian?
Vegetarian?
All the products are vegetarian products.
Yes,
one.
yes.
And second is the effect of Ganoderma in the cancer and diabetic diseases. Okay.
Yeah. So far, all our these products are vegetative. All are vegetative. All the products are vegetative. We do not use any animal parts. Okay. Now, the effect of Ganoderma on cancers, on diabetes, I need to stress again. Okay. We do not treat cancer, and cancer cannot be treated. You know why? Because cancer is not the problem. The problem is the body. I always get one case like in India, the story in the early. I give you one example. Okay. One evening in India, after this therapy session, there's one couple come to see me. There's one very rich businessman. He come to see me, bring along the wife, and he told me that the wife already in the 4th stage of cancer. And doctor give her wife 2 months to go. It means already terminal, and the doctor also refused to do anything to the wife. Then the husband told me, Dr. Lim, can you give me some advice on cancer, on my wife? Okay. I will follow exactly your advice, no. You ask me to take anything, I will take. I will follow strictly your advice. But can you guarantee me that you kill all the cancer cells? So when people are asking you this question, how do you answer? If you say you can kill all the cancer cells, you'll be in jail, because we are not doctors to do all these things. If you say that you do not kill the cancer cell, then they don't buy the product from you. Okay? You don't answer this question. This is a wrong question, I asked him back, Now, what do you want me to do? Okay. You want me to kill all the cancer cells in your wife's body, or you want me to let your wife lead a normal life? Which one is more important? To live normally is more important, or to kill all the cancer cells? So he is hesitating, Then I asked him the second question. Do we have cancer cells inside our body? Yes or no? Every of us are having cancer cells inside the body. We have so many billions of cells in the body, There are some mutations. So there are, and some estimate, there are about 3 to 4,000 cancer cells in everybody's body. That's why cancer is not a problem. The only problem is that when it affects your day-to-day life, then it is a problem. But can you kill the cancer or not? Can you remove the cancer or not? Okay, can you solve the problem by removing the cancer? This thing. Because the body is already not in a balanced state. Okay. Then eventually he agreed that to lead a normal life is better than this thing. So I told the wife, I said, madam, you listen to me. Okay? You forget about cancer. I told you. You don't think about cancer. Okay? So you go home, you eat anything you want to eat, you drink anything you want to drink. Okay? Then you go for mega doses. Take a lot of this thing to remove all the toxins from the body, to balance it back. Then you leave everything to God. Whether to live or not to live is not our worry, Okay, we cannot bargain. Oh, let me live 100 years, 200 years. No, these are something that is non-negotiable. Okay, leave it as it is. I say you. When she's seeing me, the face is pale, the hand is shaking, So when I told him, you just live normally, forget about cancer. Suddenly, the face become some color turn back, So she started to smile. I told her, don't think about cancer. You go back, you eat normally, you drink normally, okay, you sleep normally, you enjoy your life, take this thing. So better is 2 months, better 2 years, better 20 years, you don't worry about that. After about 3 months, or about 6 months, I think, okay, the couple come back, I cannot recognize them anymore. Because the wife become looking very healthy, Oh, then the husband told me, hey, your product is very good, Now we feel very happy. She live normally now, normal life there. But he said, we still have a very small problem, What is the small problem? He said, there are still some small cancer cell inside the body. I told him, don't worry about that, This thing better, there's one small cancer cell, or there are 10 cancer cells. It's none of our concern. Forget about it. So the next year, I think a few years they are meeting me, but now I think it should be okay, this thing. That's why, remember, we do not treat cancer. We do not treat that. Can you treat diabetes? You can never treat diabetes, because diabetes is not a problem. When you buy a car, okay, there is something wrong with the car, there is a blinking light in the car. Can you treat the problem of the car by throwing the light away? Cannot. You must change the engine. You must repair the engine. A person come with a diabetes. That is a blinking light, Something wrong with the body. You should never treat diabetes, and you cannot treat diabetes, You treat the body. How to treat the body? Start with 1 teaspoon. Okay. Then go for 2 teaspoons. Then go for 3 teaspoons a day. Then maintain for some time. So the time during the detoxification, a lot of toxin coming out from the body. Don't get worried. Okay, sometimes the urine will turn turbid. The urine will turn smelly. Okay, sometimes the stool also very this thing. Sometimes the sweat is also come out with a yellow sweat, also very smelly. Don't worry about all these things. Continue taking. So after the body's the toxins is removed, it balance back, then everything will be okay. So Gigi, so I hope I have answered the question. So thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Doctor. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause once again for that fantastic session.